Hey, let me show you the best features of Nothing Ear A earbuds. So first of all, what I want to show you that in this earbuds we've got support for the Nothing X application, so we can easily download it on the Google Play Store and also from the Google Play Store and from iOS App Store. And now, first of all, we've got access into the equalizer where we can find 4 default presets, but also we can find the custom one, so we can create own preset, but we can only find one preset. We cannot save multiple presets, unfortunately. There's only one. Next, we got the controls. So this is the touch controls that you can find here on this stem on the left and the right earbud, as you can see. And we've got double pinch, triple pinch, pinch and a hold, double pinch and a hold, and single pinch. And for the double pinch and the triple pinch, we've got option to turn a next song, turn previous song, wake the voice assistant, and decline incoming call. The same for the triple pinch, but on the triple pinch we actually cannot decline incoming calls. For the pinch and hold, we can simply adjust the noise control. We can volume up and volume down and use the voice assistant. For the double pinch and hold, that's actually the same. And for the single pinch, we've got play and a pause and answer and hang up calls. And you can switch between the earbuds and you can set it up to your own preferences. When you go for the noise control, we can for sure find the transparency mode and the noise cancellation mode with 4 presets. Here we can also find the bass enhanced, so it's not sound equalizer, it's just function that increase bass if you like it. So we can find 5 levels and you can set it up also to your preferences. By going into the settings, we can find here the low latency mode, so it's actually improve the gaming experience by minimizing latency. We can find the LDAC audio codec that will enable the high quality audio. We can also find the dual connection, so we can connect these earbuds with 2 devices at the same time. That's a really useful feature. And we can also find the in-ear detection, and we can update firmware. And yeah, that will be all. The quick information for you about the best features of this device. Thanks for watching.